Good afternoon. It is a fresh still January afternoon, 2022, and it's a lie, it's 23. I want to show you something. We put traps in, and I'm sure you've all seen the videos of the traps that we do put in and the boxes we put in. We often get asked why rats take a while to use things on agricultural spots, and I think this box sums it up perfectly. You can see that it's wet and dirty in this area where this boxes went in, but look, if I take you down the next box, all the boxes are crystal clear. But what this box demonstrates is the amount of rats which have run over it. Feet prints, tail swipes, you know, that's perfect rat activity. You see how dirty it is, how well used it is. There was a very large rat caught out of there, and a large rat running on top of that box in the mud will get that to look like that in no time at all. When you consider it with a nice clean box, the reason why these boxes, these natural boxes, work better with time is they become part of the building. That box is no longer something to be wary of. That box is something to sit on, to get out of the dark, the damp. And when that puddle dries up, I think we'll catch even more in it. We are catching at this moment in time, but I think we'll catch even more. There's a hole goes through there into the barn on the other side of the wall, so they like using it. Look, crystal clean, crystal clean. Or is it? It's clean to us, but to rats it is. They can see where they've been. You know, that mud just highlights it so that we can see it. Rats know where other rats are, they know where they've sat, they know what they've done. They know their trade, they know their pheromones, or whatever it is that attracts them, but there's something that attracts them. You put these boxes in, and we've done it on this farm, we changed them over onto brick, and our catch rate stopped for a short period of time, and then started again. You know, the longer they are in, the better they will work. You know, give them time. Don't expect immediate results. If you're putting them in to clear a problem in 2 weeks, it's not going to work. These boxes are a long-term solution. That's what they are, a long-term solution to permanent baiting or long-term baiting of rodenticide on farms. Get them in, give them time. You can flick those traps off, you can leave them unset. You can leave them unset and put some bait in with a covered and protected authority on it, so they can act as a bait point or a bait station. Not a bait box, but a bait point or bait station. You can do all sorts with them, and when they're using them comfortably, you can flick the traps on. You know, those traps are monitoring. They're monitoring more than anything else, but they monitor in such a way that as soon as a rat moves onto the farm, it is accounted for and the population doesn't gain a foothold. You know, we've got very few rats on this farm. Very few. In fact, I'd go as far as to say we are rat clear at the moment, but that will change on a weekly and daily basis. God bless. Bye-bye.